Welcome members. Today I want us to see the difference between these crops, banana crop. Here we have some of the following that I can show you, just as you see. In banana plantations, we have the bananas that are best for growing, for food, and then there are other type for brewing. And among these, today I wanted us to see what is the exact spacing of these plantations and how best should they be planted, or should they be aligned. With this, here there are banana plantations, and then there is a garden of bananas. Just as you see with the bananas, these ones are capable or are good for eating, for food. And with this, this is the most crop or most bananas grown in people's gardens, because they are good. We get food, from them, and then we can eat for consumption at home, and then the remaining is taken at the marketplaces. So with this, these crops can be long lasting, of at least after plantation they can take 1 year so to yield. So in 1 year they will pollinate. It pollinates after 1 year, and then the bananas starts growing, which we cut. Some of you may ask me that do really bananas flower? Yes, bananas flower and they get pollinated. That's why you see, when it is bearing, you will see something like flowers on top of it. And then after that, pollination bees come and they will make some good pollination. They take their nectar, and then pollination takes place. After that, we wait for harvesting. This banana plantation is they take at least, they last for, if it's a garden of bananas, it can last for 3 to 4 years before changing or adding more of them. It can last for 3 to 4 years when you are still harvesting. So it is a good crop, and it is good for food, and then as it can work also as a cash crop. This one, bananas, their spacing in plantation is, we plant them as in 8 feet by 8 feet, or you may space 10 feet by 10 feet from in length, 10 feet from one pit to another, and then the width also the same. Or we may use 10 by 8 feet from one to the other, so that they can bear and they can cover up the space, just as you see. Then we have also another type of banana crop that is used for brewing. And then there is one that you eat as sweet bananas. So here is the crop. When we look at this crop, just as you see, this one is the type of crop that is used for brewing. We can brew beer, we can brew wine, so that's why I say brewing. With this crop, it can last for more than 6 years after plantation, and it bears, just as you sit down, it can expand. It can expand up to 5 feet, and then making a circumference of a diameter of 5 feet within 4 years. This one, it bears it can yield a lot, and then these ones are made, are taken, harvested, ripened, and then after ripening they take for brewing. This is where we brew beer, wine, and good wine, actually best ones that are so expensive. Then the other, I want us to look at the other type of banana here, that where you see the shoot, or like the stem, like it is this one. It is called bogoya, and then the one we've been seeing is called chisubi. This one is chisubi, then this one is called bogoya. For bogoya, it is best for ripening and then eating as sweet bananas. This is the most eatable as sweet bananas. Bogoya can last for more than 6 years also, and it bears long and a bit long bananas, which are best for selling, for eating. They have a lot of vitamins here. And then this one is good for harvesting and then taking to the market for consumption. The importance, one of the importance of this sweet banana is that it is used to soften the digestive system, to reduce the issues of constipation, hence enabling people to get good bowel movements. So thank you, members. We will be looking at more and more. Just as we go on, I'll be showing you more examples and more types, so that you can differentiate. What you have to know is that for that one of sweet bananas, it is best to plant it. It is best to plant it with a space of 12 by 12 by 12 feet in width, 12, and in length 12, or if not, you can use 12 by 10 feet. That is the spacing when we are planting bogoya. And then the other issue is that these ones of bananas, just bananas that we use for food, can't be are best protected if you use those sweet bananas and those ones brewing bananas when you surround it on the garden, because for the brewing bananas and then sweet bananas are strong. They have a strong shoot that they can withstand all the winds, all the conditions and the winds, so that they can protect the inside one of these bananas, because they have a weak stem or a weak shoot. So for a best issue is doing like we've been seeing the other side, the other of sweet bananas and brewing bananas. They are put on the roadside so that they can first catch up with the strong winds, to avoid the destruction or destroying the whole garden of bananas. Thank you. We meet. Bye bye.